Coimbatore Postal Division is the headquartered division of Western region of Tamil Nadu Circle. It has 2 head post offices, 79 sub offices and 96 branch post offices. With this infrastructure, we serve people for their postal needs, for their mailing requirements. We provide them logistic solutions and other financial services. Almost 924 people, our postal employees, are working day and night to provide the best possible for them. The COVID pandemic was an international catastrophe which has an immense potential to disrupt the whole international economy. We realized about it in the very beginning itself and took immediate countermeasures to prevent any kind of difficulty to be faced by our postal department in the Coimbatore division. We first formulated a very clear vision as to our requirements to fight this COVID-19 pandemic. Our vision was to sustain our operations and to safeguard our assets. Our assets consist of the staff which is working with us, our customers, our infrastructure and our supply chain. With this precise and concise vision, we formulated some strategic goals for us. Our strategic goal consists of protecting our people. Our people consist of both the staff and customers. The second one was to maintain our services, to maintain our supply chain and to provide the best of the financial services during this COVID pandemic. The third was to cater to the society in the best possible manner. The fourth strategic goal was to encourage innovation in services. We were able to utilize all these tactics through collaboration with people, collaboration with governments and state government services, through consultation with our trade unions, with our customers, with other NGOs and other civil society people, and also with motivation to our own people by doing all welfare activities possible and leading by example.
Coimbatore Postal Division is working as per the direction of our regional office in accordance with Ministry of Home Affairs rulings. We are following the break the chain rule as well as maintaining social distance both with our staff as with the public. As regards to public, we are having the sanitization process, giving them a bucket of water and soap to have them clean before entering our post office. As regards to staff, we have supplied masks, gloves as well as sanitized all the post office with cooperation of the local municipal bodies. We have also maintained all social distance as required with the Ministry of Home Affairs. And as regards to business, now almost all offices are closed other than post offices. So we have formulated an MSME logistic solution to give variety of logistic post solutions to the MSME people for forwarding and dispatching their PPE kits, medical equipments, medical kits to other parts of the country. So we are liaising them as well as as regards to financial service, we are formulating this AEPS, Aadhaar enabled payment system. This system, without your knowing your account number, any customer can take an amount of maximum of 10,000 from any of his bank account without coming to the bank or the ATM. Our postman will be serving at your doorstep. Not only you will be having your money, but also you will be knowing your main balance in your account as well as mini statement of accounts you can get from your bank accounts.